So what is collaboration technology? Collaboration isn't a new concept to the world of work. For centuries, we've always been able to accomplish more and overcome more challenges when working as a team. However, the way we work together has seen a few changes over recent years. In the age of digital transformation, concepts like in-office meetings and in-person discussions are becoming less common. People are replacing outdated, expensive, or otherwise tricky processes with strategies that are quicker, simpler, and more virtual. In this new age of collaboration, work is something we do, not a place we go to. As such, team members are beginning to rely more heavily on technology to help them accomplish their goals. The term collaboration in the communication environment is becoming synonymous with concepts like video conferencing, VCaaS, room kits, and even team collaboration software. Here's everything you need to know about the new age of collaboration. The basic definition of collaboration is the act of working with someone towards a specific goal. Collaboration might involve multiple people, various kinds of content, and different methodologies. However, the result is always the same: people joining together in the pursuit of a specific outcome. Collaboration in the unified communications and collaboration market is a concept that's slightly harder to define. In the past, you might have referred to boardrooms and conference phones as types of collaboration tools. However, today, collaboration is achieving a much broader definition. In an environment where employees frequently work from points all over the globe, teamwork doesn't have to happen in a shared physical space. Collaboration in the current landscape involves not just people working together, instead it's people working in sync with the support of critical tools. Around 83% of people today say they rely on technology for a truly collaborative experience. Let's explore some of the latest collaboration tech available in the market today. Communication can exist without collaboration, but collaboration is nothing without communication. Cloud calling, conferencing, messaging, and more are all parts of a good collaboration strategy. Much of the collaboration that teams do today takes place through audio and video experiences. Video conferencing provided either through an app or video conferencing as a service means that people all over the world can recreate face-to-face interactions. Most collaboration tools come with persistent chat services and tools for file sharing and even screen sharing during a call. Presence is a crucial component of a modern collaboration strategy. With presence, it's possible to see who is online and available to talk. This makes conversations in a more collaborative environment feel more immediate. As the way we work in teams continues to evolve, the technology that belongs to the collaboration landscape expands. Often when people think of collaboration tech, the first thing they think of is the software. These days, countless companies offer team collaboration software to improve back-end communication between employees. This software includes all of the tools that companies need for instant messaging, file sharing, and even group video conferencing. However, there's more to collaboration technology than just the software. Other components of collaboration stacks include endpoints in the collaborative environment include web cameras, conference phones, and more recently, collaboration bars. Any device that helps a team work together belongs to the collaboration space. Video is increasingly emerging as one of the most essential tools for collaboration. Video conferencing nowadays is typically offered through cloud video conferencing solutions. When the software for video communication is available over the cloud, teams can connect from anywhere and have a range of device options to make their life easier. Collaboration tools are rapidly becoming more intelligent. Software like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Cisco WebEx are all delivering groundbreaking tech ranging from virtual backgrounds in video to AI-powered assistants and real-time transcription. The demand for mobility and productivity in any environment has accelerated the need for headsets. Today's tools come with active noise cancelling to prevent distractions, among a range of other excellent features. Future headsets may even combine with augmented reality and virtual reality to make meetings more immersive. The more we discover immersive and engaging ways to collaborate, the less likely it is that we're going to go back to the old ways. Although there are still occasions that might demand face-to-face meetings and large conferences, virtual spaces for collaboration are becoming more and more popular. Today's businesses recognize that a more advanced collaboration strategy has a lot of benefits. Digital collaborative tools ensure that companies can bring team members together no matter where they are. The right collaboration system can also reduce the expense and environmental impact of travel. With the potential of face-to-face collaboration available over video, there's no need to drive or fly to the other side of the country for meetings. Aside from making teamwork more efficient and cost-effective, collaboration tools are becoming easier to use too. Plug-and-play devices and user-friendly interfaces mean that you don't need to be a big business owner to benefit from collaborative solutions anymore. No doubt many of these systems will revolve around video. As employees crave more contextual conversations, collaboration is becoming a video-first experience. As mobile technology continues to improve, there will also be more opportunities in the collaborative environment. 5G and reduced latency could pave the way for better HD calls and conferences with people around the world. Virtual and augmented reality could really become more of a possibility too. Intelligent assistants will also play more of a part in the future of collaboration. Already these tools are helping with automatically identifying people in meetings, and in addition, some of the latest platforms can also unlock new opportunities like automatically translating and transcribing conversations. In summary, by enabling our meeting room environments with AI, we're less likely to fall back into the old ways of working when meetings were inefficient. That's it from me. We have lots more information on UC Today. Visit our website for the latest news, reviews, and insights. Thanks for watching.